Welcome to My Mushroom Health, fungi you can feel. Today we're going to be talking about medicinal mushrooms for cancer. So let's go ahead and get started. What is cancer? Well, cancer is a disease in which some of the body's cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. Obviously, this is known as tumor growth. Excessive inflammation over time is a contributing factor. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the human body, which is made up of trillions of cells. Now, this process of uncontrolled cellular growth is also known as angiogenesis, and this means that there's some type of massive disturbance going on in the body. It's extremely rare for cancer to be caused from a gene problem. So let's talk about what types of cancer there are. The primaries, obviously breast cancer leads deaths in America with about 290,000. Lung and bronchus cancer, which is more in the lungs and the respiratory tract, is responsible for 130,000 deaths. That's almost 3 times more due to colorectal cancer, which is the 3rd most common type of cancer. And then pancreatic cancer is the 4th deadliest cancer, causing about 49,000 deaths per year. Obviously, these numbers are changing every year. Types of treatment: immuno therapies and aggressive drugs tend to be the primary method. Stem cell therapies are up and coming. Chemotherapy, which is a very old process. Chemotherapy drugs that are used haven't really been reinvented in probably 15 years. Radiation, of course, and surgery. So let's look at a drug treatment here called KISQALI, which is primarily made as a pharmaceutical for breast cancer. And we're going to stop here for a moment and show some of these side effects. Now, chemicals that treat various cancers are typically chemical in nature and not natural, and when used, cause the body's immune system to become severely compromised. So my question is always, how then is this sensible? If you do use these types of drugs, you must eat very healthy to keep your immune system very strong while the drugs are trying to fight the cancer. Now, this particular drug here, KISQALI, there's a link here at the bottom of this page. I'm going to move on to the next page and show just some of the side effects so you can be aware. You can certainly pause the video now and take a peek at this. Severe skin reactions, heart rhythm problems, liver problems. We'll go to the side effects 2 slide. Low white blood cell count, which can increase cancer, so that doesn't make sense. Some other common side effects here: nausea, infections, fatigue, diarrhea, vomiting, hair loss, headaches, constipation, rash, cough. In any event, there are quite a few side effects, so be cautious when you go this method. Now, other medications like super nutrients, there is a company called Genepic Nutritionals, and I am personally aware of this company. I've actually worked with them and consulted with them, and this product is absolutely remarkable. It's filled with 70 different vitamins and minerals, 32 different herbs, and 16 phytonutrients. So this is really a super nutrient product. Clinical trials on their website show over 60% cure rate for many types of cancers, especially prostate for men. So please check that out, folks. This is a remarkable product developed by a doctor, and it's all natural. There are also high vitamin C therapies, hydrogen peroxide therapies for specific types of cancers, T-cell and gene therapies, and then, of course, cannabinoids like CBD, CBG, CBDV, cannabidiol, and cannabidiol acid. These are all cannabinoids found in the hemp and cannabis plant. I personally do not recommend THC for cancer. It does help with pain, but it does not help with anti-inflammatories. And additionally, last on the list, of course, we'll be talking more about medicinal mushrooms. Specifically, reishi and turkey tail have had the most studies for mushrooms regarding cancer in the body. So our product is called Mycelium. They're 4-in-1 gummies. They do contain turkey tail, reishi, lion's mane, and cordyceps, and they are 250 milligrams of activated mycelium compound in each great tasting gummy. Now, we do have videos on the difference between activated and non-activated, or mycelium products versus fruit body. You should probably check that out because it is very different. The activated mycelium has far more gene expression than just the fruit bodies, which are not necessarily the best. They're still good, nothing wrong with them, but you're not going to get as much benefit from fruit body mushrooms. Our bottle contains 30 chews. We also have a 10-in-1 complex, which includes the culinary mushrooms as well. Both very good for overall immune support. Now, conclusion on today's short video: educate yourself on the many methods of cancer treatments. With your doctor's help, consider natural methods before going too aggressive. I have personally seen people respond with much lower PSAs. In other words, I've seen men go from stage 4 cancer to stage 1 cancer, or to no cancer at all, going completely plant-based, cutting out all cheese, dairy, red meat, and alcohol, and I have seen these people get amazing success. And don't forget, look up that Gen Epic product, the super nutrient product. It is absolutely remarkable, and we hope you'll be well. Don't forget to share this if you think there's value in this material, or send it to somebody who may be interested in it. And don't forget, do something nice for somebody you don't even know today. There's just not enough of that in the world right now.